Meaning of funeral parlor.
Funeral parlor.
Funeral parlor.
Funeral parlor.
Funeral parlor. A funeral parlor, also known as a funeral home or mortuary, is a business that provides services associated with funerals and the handling of deceased remains. They typically offer a range of services including embalming and preparation of the body, arranging of the funeral ceremony and burial or cremation. Funeral parlors also provide support and counseling to family members during the grieving process. These facilities are often equipped with chapels, viewing rooms, and casket showrooms. Overall, funeral parlors serve an important role in providing support for families during a difficult time following the loss of a loved one.